Hello everyone, for this video I will show you how I made these cute mini wallets or pouches. Very customizable, you can make any size you want, but for this video I will show you how I made the red one. So slightly bigger than the purple one but smaller than the black one. I'm using a 3.5mm hook, so grab your yarn and make a slip knot. For the medium-sized wallet, you will have to chain 22. And then add 2 turning chains at the end of it. Skip those 2 and then make half double crochet from the first chain up to the last one. So a total of 22 half double crochets. When you're done with your first row, add 2 turning chains again and then turn your work. Again, skip 2, then half double crochet 22. Repeat this process until you are satisfied with the length. So when you're done, like when you're satisfied, so I did a total of 15 rows, but you can make it longer however you want, and then use stitch markers to mark the sides. Now we're gonna do the ruffle part on the side. So get your second yarn. You can use any color that you want, but for me I'm gonna use white, and then insert your hook to grab the yarn. So HTC increase is basically just 2 half double crochets in each stitch, like per stitch. So you have to do it from one side up to the opposite side. So you're gonna need some snap buttons, so I have a few, and then put them in the middle part. So one pair for this medium size, but for the black one I use 2 pairs. This is just to secure the wallet or the pouch. And then for the heart one, like for the design, you can do any design that you want, but for me, I want to put a heart in the middle. So I just follow the tutorial from Mahom Crochets. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name correctly. I'm so sorry, but credits to her. So yeah. So I just use multi-purpose adhesive for the heart. So thanks for watching.